Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am unboxing one of the most loved and most economical box in the market, and that is the Glam Ego box. This is how this month's Glam Ego has come in. So it's quite a cute box, quite a thoughtful cover to it. So it is promoting your culture, but it is also allowing you freedom. Quite a good one. I quite like this, and it says I am not a regular stree. Absolutely. Today's women are never the regular traditional females that we know of, and here it says be bold or italic but never regular. So true. Each one of us is an individual, each one is different, and we should all love ourselves for what we are. So let us go into the box and see the products one by one. So the first thing to come out is this discount coupon from Blossom Culture Aroma Magic. So we are getting a lot of products from Blossom Culture Aroma Magic these days, and this is the coupon code. You can use it to get a 20% off. Let us start with the star product of this box. This is the Bella Voste Ultimate Lip Contour Set. So the good part about this set is that this is yet to be launched, and the subscribers of Glam Ego box has received this before. So this product is going to be in the market next month onwards, and this is worth rupees 1149. So it has two parts in it. It has got a transfer proof lip liner and an argan oil lipstick. The packaging is very classy. Bella Voste has turned out to be one of my favorite brands. So it says the lip liner is enriched with jojoba oil, super long wear, super soft and gliding, no feathering and non-sticky, excellent and even color payoff, dermatologically tested, and these are the properties of the lipstick. So this is enriched with argan oil. It has got intense color and a one stroke application. It is full coverage with perfect matte finish. It is ultra soft textured. It has moisturizing benefit, and it has advanced softener and creamier formulation. Very exciting. So we got to choose the shade. So the shade that I chose is Sweet Nectar, and this is how the lip liner looks. So all the Bella Voste lip liners look like this only, and this is the lipstick. Very classy packaging. The shade number has been mentioned here. It is 09 Sweet Nectar lipstick. So let me open it for you, friends. Okay, so there is a little bit of damage to this lipstick. The tip has touched somewhere. Nonetheless, it's all right. So let me swatch this for you. The color appears very nice. So this is how the color looks. Very pretty, very soft, and a perfect daily wear. And this is how the lip liner looks. This has to be sharpened. I wish this was a retractable one. Nonetheless, I quite like it. And this is the lip liner. Very creamy, glided on so well. I love this lip liner too. So the combination is perfect. I'm really happy to get this one, and I would have loved to order this box just for this one product, friends. And before I go on, if you like this, don't miss this opportunity. I would go ahead and order yours right away before the shade options are stocked out. The next product that I have received is from Vert. It is a Love Potion solid perfume, and this has to be stored below 25 degrees in a dry place and used before 6 months. So I'm getting a lot of solid perfume these days. Solid perfume definitely are good to carry and keep it in your bag. The fragrance is amazing. I am loving this fragrance. I don't know how long this is going to last, but this is very creamy and smells very familiar. I can't place the smell. It is a sweetish smell, but also a very sensuous smell. I'm loving it, friends. I am honestly loving this solid perfume. So after a long time, I'm actually liking any of the solid perfume as much. I generally love perfumes, but I'm not a big fan of solid perfumes or others, but yes, this one is something that I'm loving. The next product I have received is from Blossom Culture Aroma Magic, and it is a coffee bean scrub. It says it will help fight aging and impart glow. All the details have been mentioned here. It's a sample size product, friends, and this is priced at rupees 75. So it says you need to scrub your face with this and leave it on for 10 minutes, then wash it off. Appears to be promising, worth trying out. And the last product here is from the brand Sisa. I have heard about this brand. It's quite an old brand, I guess, and it is known for its Ayurvedic ingredients. So it is the hair oil that we have received. The list of the ingredients is mentioned here. Meanwhile, let me just tell you the key ingredients in this oil. This oil contains Bhringraj, it has Brahmi, it has got Calamansi Vajtrifla, and it is effective for hair growth and reduces hair fall. It also says it takes care of headache and mental stress. It takes care of dandruff and lice. It also nourishes the follicles, and it has got antibacterial and antifungal action. So seems quite an interesting product, friends. Let me just show you the bottle, how it looks. And this is a family pack. So this is how the bottle is, quite big, quite huge, and this is priced at rupees 130. So happy to get this too. So this time the Glam Ego box is very impressive. I seriously recommend you go ahead and get this box. Very economical, has wonderful products, all branded product. There is not a single product which is not branded. Fantastic, friends. I am loving this box. Of course, my favorite in this is the Bella Voste lip contour kit and the Word perfume. Tell me, what did you like in the box? With that, we come to an end of this unboxing, friends. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Do share some love. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now. Love you all.